Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the support and resistance levels for today. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, December 6th. We have high impacting news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs at 9 AM. Otherwise, we don't have any high impacting news for any of the major currency pairs today. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now, and in 4 hours time frame we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish side and to make a triple bottom pattern, and after taking support around the support level of 1614, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from the resistance level of 1810 on the bearish side retracement. So this level of 1810 is currently acting as a very strong resistance levels, because in the past also we have noticed a price action to make a bearish side retracement from this resistance level. So overall, when we look at the price action, it is only trading within a range between the resistance level of 1810 and support level of 1614 on a sideways momentum. So for now, in 4 hours time frame, this range between 1810 to 1818 is acting as a very strong resistance zone. And let us find out whether the bearish trend reversal has actually started or not. So I'm going to draw a parallel channel pattern connecting the support, which is now acting as a resistance line, and I'm connecting the support line. So the price action after giving a breakout from this resistance line, we have noticed the price action to trend on the bullish side, taking support on this trend line or the support line, and currently we are noticing the price action to take resistance at this previous resistance line and to trend on the bearish side retracement. So as you already know by now, as long as the price action is trading between this support line and the resistance line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 4 hours time frame. But when we look at the price action, this area between 1810 to 1800 is acting as a very strong resistance zone. So if the price action wants to continue with its bullish side retracement, it has to break this resistance zone. And when we look at the price action, it has broken this midline of the bullish channel pattern, and we are noticing it to continuously trade on a bearish side retracement. And during this process, we are noticing the price action to make a double top pattern. So if the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to take support on the support line of the bullish channel pattern. And if the price action breaks this midline of the bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start. But again, we have a very strong resistance zone over here, and only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect the continuation of the bullish side retracement. And for now, the current price action is in a bearish side retracement. And only when the price action breaks this bullish channel pattern support line, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in 4 hours time frame. For now, it is only making a bearish side retracement. It is not a trend reversal on the bearish side. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. And currently the price action is trading around the support level of 1765, and if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line, and only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to test the support level of 1736, and once the price action breaks this support line, and next level of support is going to be around 1713, 1691, 1659 and 1617. And if the price action fails to break this trend line or the support line, we can expect it to bounce back and to retest this resistance level between 1800 to 1810. The ranges on the bullish side will be marked on the lower time frames. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, it is very clear that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish side retracement. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this support level of 1764 if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side retracement. And next level of support is going to be the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line from the 4 hours time frame. And only when the price action gives a breakout from this support line, it will be the bearish side trend reversal in hourly time frame also. Till then, the bearish trend is only a retracement. It is not a trend reversal for the hourly time frame also. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1764 and resistance level of 1773. And if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support for the hourly time frame is going to be around 1752 and 1736. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1773, next level of resistance is going to be around 1781, 1792, 1800 and 1810. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also on the bearish side, and currently it is taking support around the previous support level of 1764. Wait for the price action to break this support zone between 1765 to 1764 if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side trade, or else wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1718, which means that it will be breaking the midline of the bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, based on which you can freshly enter into the bullish side trades. But you can notice that there are plenty of resistance levels and support levels because the current price action is trading within a range. So currently the price action is trading on a support level of 1765, and if the price action breaks this support level between 1765 to 1764, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action bounces back from this support zone, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1774. Next level of resistance it's going to be around 1781, 1786, 1790, 1793 and 1796. We have a higher time frame resistance levels between 1800 to 1810, which the price action has to break if it wants to freshly start its bullish side retracement. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.